it going? I'm Paris. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed and you guys have been loyal, thanks for the loyalty. Very much appreciated. Today I have a special one for you. Well, I always try to make them special for you guys. You know, tonight or this morning, it's 3 a.m., whatever you guys call it. I ordered Cookie Monster doll online and I'm waiting for it to come in. It's now 3 a.m. and it should be here very, very soon. There's a doorbell. So 1 sec, guys, I'm just gonna go get it. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, it's in. I'm so excited. And it looks kind of crazy. Like, he's got like these weird googly eyes and it literally says like, feed me. It basically says feed Cookie or press tummy or whatever. And I'm wondering like, what happens if I don't do that? Anyway, yeah, so I'm actually gonna open this up. It's like a little unveiling or unboxing of like Cookie Monster doll at like 3 a.m. or whatever. And I'm kind of scared because crazy things keep happening. So actually I have something else in mind. I'm going to cut open Cookie Monster. So last time I did cut open an elf in the shelf where I tried to, and that went wrong or crazy. And this may not be the best thing to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway. You know, who cares, whatever. I have like a plate of cookies set aside just in case anything. I mean, maybe if I like leave it there, if anything happens, I can like throw a cookie at him or something and make sure that he doesn't like attack me. Like, who knows? I don't know, whatever. So basically I have here like one of my favorite cookies and it's like chocolate chip. So it's like a double like chocolate chip cookie and I'm so obsessed. Like, I know, not healthy, but whatever, guys. I deserve it. I've been good all year, I think. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna try to open this thing up. I mean, how do you open it? I know last time, like, it was kind of hard for me to open this thing. So you can tell it's sharp because it opened it pretty easily. And here, I really like hate like trying to open things sometimes because like I usually get like cut, but I think I've been like pretty lucky so far. No cuts, no bruises. I think, I don't know, it's always crazy. It's like, oh my God. He's talking already, what the fuck? Let's just shove that in his mouth. Okay, shh. Oh my God. Guys, he ate a piece of it. What? That's crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down. Like, is it alive? Like, it's a doll, I think, right? Like, it is 3 a.m. Like, that's crazy. I kind of did to myself. Okay, don't bite me or something. I'm kind of scared. How do I get this open? Okay, there's like a little, like, tie thingy there. Don't cut me. Why is it so hard? Okay. Don't bite me. Shh. Guys, I think it's alive. Why would they send me like a live, like, Cookie Monster? Why is it so hard to open? I think this is when I need, like, my man to open this for me. But I can do this. I got this, right? Like, girl power, right? Yeah. It's so hard to open, guys. It's not like the doll, like when the elf in the shelf doll, like that was pretty easy compared to this one. This one's like harder, like much harder. It's got like a tie on it. Come on, come off it. Guys, I really hate like doing this by myself, but almost there. You know what's crazy? That like, I swear he like bit like and ate like a piece of the cookie earlier. And I think my nail too, so I think my nail broke a bit. Like, he must be crazy hungry. Like, I don't know, like, what's up with this crazy like doll? Are you alive? Am I imagining this? Oh my God, it's like really held down, guys. How do I get this out? Wait. Okay. Come here, come here. I'm trying to open this up. It's really secure, but at least like know, like, he can't attack me till, like, I tie him down. So I have, like, a small window of opportunity if he is alive. Because I think that he did bite the cookie. Come here. But, like, I think maybe it knocked him out because he stopped talking after a bit, right? Who knows? Should I just leave this on? Maybe I should use the ties to, like, tie his legs and his arms together instead of, like, tape. Because I think I'm going to use tape. And I don't know if that's the best idea. But I'm going to try and do it. Come here. Oh my god, guys. I've been struggling for a good, like, few minutes to try and, like, take it off this guy. I wonder why they tied it down so hard. Like, is it alive? Is it, like, trouble? Maybe he's, like, so much trouble that they didn't want it to attack them. So they kind of just, like, patted him down and they're like, good luck with the shipping. Here you go. Like, he might attack you, but we won't put a warning on you. Crazy, right? Like, that would be insane. I would just be rude, actually. Oh my god, so many ties, guys. Okay, I got Cookie Monster out, and now I'm gonna tape him down. Yes. Okay, give me a second, guys. Oh, I thought I had the tape with me, but I don't see it, and I want to get my weapon. I'm gonna find, like, a more secure tape. So 1 sec.
Now that's one tasty cookie. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Oh, nom, nom, nom. That's yummy.
What the frack? What the frack? How did you? That's crazy. Anyway, I brought my weapon. So if you are alive and you're crazy, I'm just gonna tie you down right now. So, oh my god, there's like a mess here too, guys. Like, look what he did. What the frick? Did you make a mess of my stuff? Like, the frack? Well, I'm gonna tie you down. Like, maybe, I don't know what happened, but anyway, I'm gonna get back to this. Like, that's all right. I'm gonna tie you up, so don't even think I'll do anything crazy. What the frack? Why is he moving? Stop moving.
That's yummy.
Why is he talking? That's crazy. Okay, I got scared, so like for a second I almost like, you know, so I tape him down. What the fuck?
Cookie.
Okay, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna tape it the other way because it's kind of creepy, and it's like, it's not even moving. Like, I can't cut through it. So here, stay down that way. He's moving. Oh my god. There's an open here, right? What the? Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's happening? Oh my god. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Take that, you crazy. Like, what the frack? God. Oh my god. Guys. That's crazy. Woo. He legit like took my camera and he just started like attacking me. Like, that's insane. Okay, obviously I'm gonna like toss him out. I'm not even gonna run away. I'm gonna toss him out the house. And guys, like, thanks for watching. Out of that scuffle, like, that was like such a shocking like scuffle for me because I did not think he was gonna jump and take my camera. Like, most of the times they jump and attack me, and that is already scary enough. But this time, like, he jumped straight for my camera. And I'm still in shock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure if you haven't like already liked and subscribed, make sure you do that. Thanks for watching. Puristers out.